Okay, so this is how you convert any vegan into a meat eater again. Check this out. Oh, look at that. That is delicious. Flaring up. Oh my god, you can almost smell the deliciousness. Yum, yum, yum. Check that out. Take that, Greta. How dare you? How dare you eat this cow? How dare you, Greta? Stop us from eating this. There you go, guys. Show your vegan friends because this is going to be absolutely delicious. Don't think I'm about to eat all this. Might have to eat some tomorrow or invite someone over. Oh, damn, that looks nice. Let's cut into it and see what it looks like. Oh, a little bit, maybe a little bit over. Oh, that's looking nice. Probably a little bit overdone, maybe. I was worried about it being overcooked. I might need a little bit more rest, but it's looking quite nice. Ready to plate up. Okay, so we sliced some through the thicker part of the meat here, and that's looking perfect. It's looking perfect. So let's plate her up. I'm no chef. I just make things delicious. Look at that. Actually, let's make it into like a little flower. The one there. Look at that. Can't do better than that. And to top it off, I just basically put a bit of butter, garlic, and parsley, and this can be the sauce. Just put it on the side if you like. Drip, drip, drip. How delicious does that look? Don't think I'll be becoming a vegan anytime soon. Okay, hope you enjoyed that, guys. See you later. Also made my homemade mashed potato. It's got a little bit of cream, butter, onion, bacon. Secret ingredient is chicken salt, like the seasoned salt, chicken salt, and a little bit of pepper as well. So I make this in batches, and then I'll just freeze them and take them out when I want a meal and put it on reheat in my microwave. It does a perfect job of reheating it just beautifully.